Most people think pharmacology is just a list of medicine names to memorize, but a label won't tell you why a life-saving drug suddenly becomes a toxic risk in your patient's bloodstream. The online pharmacology training from IOMH replaces that uncertainty with clinical logic. Across 8 CPD-accredited modules, you'll learn how drugs actually behave inside the body, why the same molecule heals one patient and harms another, and how to read drug interactions before they become emergencies. You'll understand how molecules affect the brain, the heart, and the immune system, and why that knowledge is the difference between managing a patient and guessing at one. Complete a graded assessment and finish with a CPD-accredited certificate that demonstrates clinical understanding, not just course completion. Because when a critical situation arrives, and it will, you want to be the one who already knows the answer. Enroll today at iomh.co.uk.